at how big that splash is! It is so much fun playing in the rain with all our friends. Namaste. Good morning. Good morning to you too. Looks like it will be a warm day.
I think that's enough water for now.
Yes, thank you. The sun is getting strong.
Please, Mother, let us go play in the rain. The rain is so nice. Please say yes.
All right, but only for a little while.
Hey guys, come out!
It's raining. Let's go play cricket in the field.
Look, my boat is ready. Let's put it in the water now. It's sailing away.
छम 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 पानी बरसा छम 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 देखो बारिश के दिन आए ढेर सारी खुशियाँ लाए छम 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 पानी बरसा छम छम छम.
Today was the best day.
The rain was so nice. We danced and splashed everywhere.
I know. It was the best game ever. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel.